Something I don't understand is why does companies like Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji produce cameras without a flip screen? Not just a tilt screen, but a flip screen. I'm talking about the cameras in the vlogging to the medium cinematographer price range. Nowadays, content creators need a flip screen so they can watch themselves. There's so many cameras out there in a decent price range, affordable price range for content creators, YouTubers, Instagrams, etc. Which we would love to buy those cameras, but we can't because it doesn't have a flip screen. Of course, we could we could buy an external screen so we have on top of the camera to watch ourselves, but that would just create an immense heavy weight on the camera, plus you don't have somewhere to place the external microphone. So Sony, Nikon, etc., please consider creating a flip screen for all your cameras plus a better a better interface, so you build it like a smartphone and not that crazy strange software you have, Sony. It doesn't make sense at all. So please, flip screen and a better software. Thank you.
Okay.